This tutorial will show you Facebook profile lock, or how to lock your Facebook profile online on social media completely for free. If you liked the video, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. So the first step to lock your Facebook profile is to open up and search Facebook. In this case, I'm using a smartphone, and then I'm using iPhone, but this can work for Android, PC, laptop, you name it. Okay, and once Facebook has been opened up and loaded, basically you want to go to the bottom right hand screen where it says menu, which is next to notifications. Basically, there's a couple ways to do this. We're going to get as close as possible to locking your Facebook profile. So go to the top right hand screen and click this icon, the settings. Basically, you want to scroll down. You have different things here that you can change to lock your Facebook profile. You scroll down and you can see audience and visibility. You can go to how people find and contact you. As you can see, you can change this instead of everyone. You can change this to friends of friends, which is the second option. And same thing with all of these other options, friends of friends if you would like. So we'll just make sure that your Facebook profile is close to as locking as possible. And then you can go back and click this. And same thing, you can do posts. And you can change this as well, change the settings. This is really important when you go into followers and public content and profile and tagging, because again, these are very important when you are trying to lock your Facebook profile in the way that you want to, so you can get as close as possible. Profile and tagging, do the same thing. Now once you changed all of the settings, you want to basically scroll all the way back up. You want to click on your profile on the bottom right hand screen. This is how you can officially lock your Facebook profile. Click on your profile, then right here next to edit profile, click on these three icons. Right here you should have Facebook lock profile. In case I have profile status, if you don't have this, fortunately you are going to have to apply and click turn on professional mode. Here I've just clicked this recently, so I will wait until I get approved, and then you should have this option where it says profile lock or profile locking. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.